Masa mau phaba tinjang kaijang daba khunai ama semsi hairabadi aikhoi mayai kayaba chinjak tage lapna leiba mathau tai haina Manipur ge Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana phongdorakli Wafam masi International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking ga mari leinana Manipur Police na simduna ngasi ayuk pangthokiba kanglagi nongchup thangba hojang dage iroisem chingjin phawba cheluraba matung kanglada amuk lakhiba kilometer 10 ge mega awareness run ga mari leinana mahangna phongdokhibani mega awareness run aduga mari leinana Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana hai Mayai kaba chinjak sizinabana khunai amada piriba chaithengi matangda ngasigi mirol maru oina naha singda marik chumna khanghannaba Manipur Police na lokhatliba khongthang ase thagatningai ni lamdam asigi naha singna mayai kaba chinjak ki ipakta tawduna leikhibana khunai ase tapna maning halakli khunai ama chawkhatnaba hotnabada naha singi thawdang yamna chawi tinjang kaijang daba maru changba khunai ama sembada masa mau phaba naha sing mathau tai maram aduna naha sing ase mayai kaba chinjak tage lapna leinaba hotnabiyu haina Chief Minister na appeal tawkhi
The youth are equally Afava Samaj Simsai Taragadi, equally drugs, Tagi, Tom the Legadavadi, and today I think that all the, good health and the youth are no drugs. No drugs. Thank you.
Thauram aduga mari leinana Home Minister Govindas Konthaujamna hai Manipur Police Department na drug ki mayokta changsil lakliba khongthang gi saruk ama oina ngasi drugs and illicit trafficking ge paujel puba kilometer 10 ge marathon run asina miyam da drug ki awareness pibada achawa mating ama oigani thajai tinjang kaijang daba drug free oiba khunai ama sembada aikhoi punna leminaduna saruk yaminarasi haina Govindas Konthaujamna makha takhi
It is being organized throughout the world to make the world a drug-free planet. EGP has taken a lot of interest, and we pledge that let our state be a drug-free state. And let's all pray for return of the peace.
Awareness run adugi thaubu oiriba Manipur Police ki DGP Mukesh Singh na hai Manipur Police na sinduna ngasi pangthokliba marathon run asi International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking ga mari leinana pangthokpani Manipur Police na lokhalakliba khongthang asi drug free oihennabagi pandamda pangthokpani Manipur asi drug free oiba state ama oihenbada aikhoi punna thaudang longminasi haina Mukesh Singh na phongdokhi
On the occasion of International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, it is a combined fight by the Manipur Police and the people of Manipur to ensure that this society is drug-free, and we let us pledge to fight against drugs and drug abuse and make the society fit, healthy and drug-free. Thank you.
Miyo lising Amaga chahum romna saruk yaraga category mari thokna pangthokiba 10 km marathon run ado Manipur ge Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana kanglagi nongchup thangba hojang mamangdagi lamthakhi marathon run adugi open category melda KH Zabed Hussain M Mukta amadi Y Azitna ahanba anishuba amasung ahumsuba takhi open category women da T Russia TH Maria amadi TH ni Gitana ahanba anishuba amasung ahumsuba takhi Chahi nimpu mathaki male category da Muhammad Imtiaz Rahman L Milan amadi A Debrasna ahanba anishuba amadi ahumsuba takhi category nimpu mathaki women category da Ngakpigani Chahi nimpu mathaki women category dana N Sunita L Bembem amadi Y Sobhapatina ahanba anishuba amadi ahumsuba mana phangthi category mari makki ahanba anishuba amadi ahumshuba Tarakhraba lamjeloi singda Manipur Police ki DGP na selgi mana oina mathang shitna lupa lising tara lising manga amadi lising ahum piduna pukning thaugatki Hojik thokliba irang